Lot 86.1, a beautiful 1948 Ford pickup, 3 with the engine, automatic transmission, 9-inch rear, independent front suspension, house and color paint, custom interior, wood bed floor, 1940 Ford.
This sounds just like 100. I have 100 down, 75, 60. Wow, latest truck. 20 gonna be 30. And 30 down, 30 below that 30 down, 30 down, 40. I think so. I got 35, 45, 45 down, 40 down, 5. And 5 down, 40 down, 5, 45. 40 down, 45 pounds out of that. And 40 pounds, 50. 5, 55 pounds out of bed, and 50 pounds out of bed, 55 pounds out of bed, 52 to bed, 55, 52, 55, 52, 55, and 52 pounds out of bed, 55 pounds out of bed, and 52 pounds out of bed, 55 pounds out of bed, 57, and 60, 60 pounds out of bed, 60 to bed, and 57 pounds out of bed, 60,000, and show truck, 57 pounds to the bid, 60. And now 60 pounds out of it, 60. Del 2, pound out of it, 60. Again, and Del 5, pound out of it, 60. Pound out of it, 60. Pound out of it, show truck. And 63 pounds out of it, 65. And now 60 pounds out of it, 65 pounds in. Pound out of it, 63 pounds, 60 pounds out of it. Okay, 60 pounds in, 65. 60 pounds, get him again, 62. 60 pounds out of it, 62,000. I have 60 pounds out of it, 62. Reserve is off. On the truck off the block, 60 pounds it is, 62. And 60 pounds, 61, 62, 62, 61, 62, sir. And 61 pounds, reserves off. 61, it is 62 pound out of bed. You done all the work. 61 going to be 62. And 61 pound out of it, 2, 3. And 63 pound out of it, 3 to bed. 62, 63, 63, 62, 3, 64, 64 pounds out of bed. 63, 64 pounds of dollars. Anybody else? Sold. 63 pounds of dollars. Sold. 63 pounds of dollars. Alex.
187 and